In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your photos using a fantastic online tool called Photopea. This easy-to-follow guide is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their images quickly and effectively, all within a web browser. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete beginner, this tutorial will walk you through every step with clarity to make sure you get the results you desire. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Photopea. Photopea is an amazingly versatile photo editing application that you can use directly online without having to download or install anything on your computer. It's a powerful tool that mimics the functionalities of other editing software, providing a familiar interface for those who have used more traditional programs before. Once you're on the Photopea homepage, you'll notice a layout reminiscent of classic photo editing software, allowing you to begin with ease. The first action we're going to take is to select the entire image. To do this, navigate to the menu bar at the top of the page and click on the Select menu. From the drop-down list that appears, choose All. This tells the program that you want your adjustments to affect the entire image rather than just a specific part. Now that we have the whole image selected, we're going to refine that selection by modifying it slightly. Head back to the Select menu once more. Here, you'll find the Modify option. Go ahead and select that. A sub-menu will appear, allowing you to choose Contract. You might be wondering what contracting does. Well, it allows us to shrink the selection edges inward by a specified number of pixels, tightening the selection area. Choose a pixel value that suits the effect you want to achieve, and then apply it by clicking OK. We're now going to soften that contraction just a bit. Returning once again to Select, you'll want to find Modify and then Feather. Feathering smooths out the edges of your selection, preventing harsh lines and ensuring any changes or cuts blend seamlessly within the rest of the image. After setting your desired feather radius, apply the feather effect. What we need to do next involves inverting our selection. Head up once more to the Select menu and this time choose Inverse. Now this clever move flips your current selection, targeting everything outside of the initial selection area. With this new selection active, it's time to head to the Edit menu in the top bar where you'll find the Cut option. Clicking Cut will remove the selected area, leaving behind only the isolated portions of your image you wanted to remain unchanged. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've learned how to enhance your photos using Photopea. Keep these techniques in your creative toolbox and don't hesitate to experiment with different settings to find what works best for each individual image. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're feeling confident to apply these skills on your own projects.